Hello, my dear subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. Friends, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and my lovely fans, with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of front button, scatter dresses and midi dresses for lovely women. My dear viewers, these dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well, and friends, definitely you will like them all. So friends, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of front button, scatter dresses and bodycon dresses for working women, and these dresses are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. So my dear friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys.